All right, guys, say goodbye. She's heading to Texas. .409 big block 4-speed. There's a proud builder, Jim. Him and his son are my landlords here. Hell of a bunch of good people from PA. Yay, go Yankees. I mean, not the baseball team. Us northern people. Winds Gap, PA, they're from. They build really nice cars. They sold the Roadrunner over the weekend too. The 69 Roadrunner you guys saw in my videos. Yeah, they sold that to a guy up in Pittsburgh. Man and wife picked it up there. Actually, they drove up to their place. Listen to that son of a bitch. Let's go get a little walk around here while he's getting ready to load up. Uh-oh, opened up the headers. One last time. Damn, that thing looks sharp, don't it? This is what's worth getting up every morning for, right here. Yep, this is why we get out of bed every day. So long, old girl. We're all standing around about half teary-eyed. These guys been working on this car off and on for 5 years now. Jim was going to keep it. It was his dream car. And then, well, of course, you know how that is. He found another project. Oh, she's going up top. He's going to put her up top, so. Beautiful car. But anyway, yeah, we're all around here.